Hi everyone, this is Farhan. You are watching Farhan Pulse. Today's topic is who owns who. Because every Indian people who are know these car brands are separately run by its own, like, but in the real life it is not. Today I am here to explain how these car brands are running and how they are working in this automobile market. Let's watch it. These brands like MG Hector, a new coming brand, Volvo, then the BMW, Chevrolet, Ford, Mercedes Benz, Honda, Toyota, Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Volkswagen, and Tata. These are the most popular brands in our Indian market, but we don't know that these are not a parent company, because most of the car company has a parent company, separate parent company. We don't know that, so I explain in this video so you can get the knowledge about how 4 to 5 car companies as owned by one single parent company. Let's go and see this. Let's start our video. In our list we have a 15 parent companies, and which parent companies has more sub brands in their automobile. The first thing comes in the list is Volkswagen. Volkswagen is a group of company, German car company. It is one of the German company which has a quite a number of car sub brand cars like this. I am only showing the car company only. Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Porsche, Seat, Skoda, and Volkswagen. This are all the things are belongs to the Das Auto. That means Volkswagen is a German car company which owns this 8 sub brand. It is under working under the parent company Volkswagen. Then next company comes on second at the list is Toyota. Toyota, all Toyota cars are very silent and smooth, refined engine. This is the parent company of Toyota. Toyota is a parent company which has a quite number of sub brands like Daihatsu and Lexus. Lexus is a luxury car, and they are also their top model Toyota's most selling car in India is Innova and Innova Krista. It is a Japanese car. The third position in this list is Ford. Ford is a American multinational automaker. Their headquarters in Dearborn. They are also a 3 sub brand under Ford. One is the Ford, the separate brand of Ford, and the second one is the Lincoln Motor Company, and the third one is Troller. Like these 3 brands they have, but in our India we have only one brand, Ford. Then the fourth place comes under the General Motors. General Motors is a um, is a place where the parent company of some of the car brands like this Cadillac, GMC, Chevrolet, and other brands. But in our India, later in 2015, the Chevrolet brand is going out from our Indian market. They are not launching any car in our Indian market. The fifth position goes to the Renault, Nissan, and Mitsubishi, a parent company of this company. This is a parent company. There is an alliance, a French Japanese company get a partnership with both are get a partnership. They run a quite 8 sub brand under this one single parent company, which is Renault, Nissan, Infiniti, Dacia, Datsun, and Mitsubishi. Among these, we have in India Renault, Nissan, Datsun, and Mitsubishi. These four brands are successfully running in our country, India. And the sixth place goes to the Hyundai. We know Hyundai i10, we know the Hyundai Creta, like these successor models in this brand. It is a South Korea. It is a South Korea's multinational company. It is a parent company of this sub brand company like Hyundai and Kia. We know that we all heard about that this new brand is started selling their cars in our India. It is quite successful and nice feature, fully loaded cars are sold by this Kia. Next company comes to the seventh place is Daimler. Daimler is a multinational company which owns the Mercedes Benz and AMG and other brands. This company is a luxury car makers company. Next we comes to the Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. It is a parent company of these eight companies. One is the Alfa Romeo Dodge Charger. We know this a nice, very fastest car with turbocharger is a Dodge Charger, and Lancia Maserati. Maserati also a luxurious car. Fiat Jeep Ram. But in our India we has this Fiat Jeep Maserati Dodge Charger. At yearly we have these cars in our India. Next year, well refined engine comes at ninth position. Honda. Honda means a Japanese company which has a quite smooth refinement in also car as well as a bike. We going to both segments. They have a refined engine, very smooth engine, and they are work at people's safety and safety airbags features with fully loaded features. They also run two companies. One is Honda, other one is Acura. These are the two companies run by Honda. And the 10th position comes to the BMW. BMW is a driver's car, a race oriented road car. It is a German based company. It is a German based company which has a quite number of sub brand in it. A world class luxurious car means all are saying Rolls Royce, because Rolls Royce is not only given to all, because the person who owns the Rolls Royce has a standard to own this car. So Rolls Royce is owned by BMW. The Mini Cooper, the Mini company also owned by the BMW car company. The 11th place goes to the Suzuki. Suzuki is a Japanese. Suzuki also a Japanese multinational corporation company. They are running the four-wheeler, two-wheeler, and all-terrain vehicles. Also, they are going to manufacturing. In India, we has a Maruti Suzuki and Suzuki. There are only few brands. No, not much difference between them. They are a quite similar brand. Next, PSA Group. PSA Group is a French multinational company. The newest car is coming to our India is sailing from this month, February month, Feb 2021. A Citroen Aircross Plus. This car is belongs to this PSA parent company group. They are also some of the sub brand companies. And then the 13th place goes to the Tata Motors, a Indian multinational company. We have to say proud to be an Indian to buying these cars. Tata Motors also owns these three companies. Tata Motors, Jaguar, Land Rover belongs to Tata Motors. The 14th place goes to Geely. This is a Chinese multinational company which we has this sub brand cars in India, like this Volvo, Lotus, Proton. These sub brand groups are run by this Geely parent company. Also the Volvo buses also run by these companies also. Next 15 place goes to the independent car makers, independent automakers, like this who are comes under this: Aston Martin, Subaru, Ferrari, Mazda, Tesla, McLaren. These are the six company who stands at their own leg and shines till the date. So So thank you for watching. Please support our channel and hit the like button and press the subscribe button. Thank you.